2021 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter. It's a 144 4x4. It's got the power sliding door on the side, which is a great upgrade. It's got the nice black brand new rims. Tires are in fantastic condition. Real smooth ride on those Michelins, which makes it real nice. It's got the tow package from the factory built in there. It's a nice upgrade. Body's in good condition. Freshly waxed, nice and shiny. Those nice black rims, it makes it look real stand out. So take a look.
This van has a clean Carfax, a single owner, and a great service history.
One owner. Heated seats, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got cruise control, all your informatics on this side. You also can control the Bluetooth stereo system from here. It's got about 68,000 miles on it. This is your power push button to open the sliding door right there on the side, which is really nice. It does have 360 camera angles all around the outside of the vehicle, which is great. You have your phone connectivity, XM radio, and all the apps that they have on Mercedes. You have your plugins for your Apple CarPlay up here and also charging ports. Got a lot of nice room back here to store stuff. It's a high roof, so you can walk right at it. 12 passengers back here. All the seats are in wonderful condition. You got on the sides here, you have plugins for USB-C on each row, so you can plug in your phone while you're traveling. Inside is super clean. Great look. You have up here power sliding door you can push right here from the driver's seat. It'll open and shut the doors. Up here in the